What jobs will artificial intelligence replace in the next 5 years? Artificial intelligence, AI, is expected to have a significant impact on the job market over the next 5 years, automating certain tasks and potentially replacing some jobs, particularly those involving repetitive or routine tasks. Here are some jobs and sectors likely to be affected by AI advancements. 1. Data entry clerks. Tasks involving manual data input and processing can be efficiently handled by AI, reducing the need for human data entry clerks. 2. Telemarketers. AI-driven chatbots and automated calling systems can handle outbound sales calls and customer interactions, potentially replacing human telemarketers. 3. Customer service representatives. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a large volume of customer inquiries and provide support, decreasing the demand for human customer service representatives. 4. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout systems and automated payment solutions can reduce the need for human cashiers in retail environments. 5. Manufacturing and assembly line workers. AI and robotics can perform repetitive tasks on assembly lines with high precision and efficiency, potentially replacing human workers in manufacturing. 6. Bookkeeping and accounting clerks. AI systems can automate tasks such as bookkeeping, invoicing, and expense management, reducing the need for human clerks in these roles. 7. Warehouse and inventory management. AI-driven robots and automated systems can manage inventory, fulfill orders, and perform other tasks in warehouses, reducing the need for human labor. 8. Paralegals and legal assistants. AI can assist with legal research, document review, and contract analysis, potentially reducing the demand for human paralegals and legal assistants. 9. Medical transcriptionists. Speech recognition technology and AI can transcribe medical records and documentation, decreasing the need for human transcriptionists. 10. Market research analysts. AI can analyze large data sets and generate insights for market research, potentially reducing the need for human analysts. 11. Proofreaders and copy editors. AI tools can assist with grammar checking, proofreading, and editing written content, potentially replacing some human roles in this area. Insurance underwriters and claims processors. AI can assess risk, process claims, and handle underwriting tasks more efficiently than humans, impacting jobs in the insurance industry. 13. Bank tellers. Automated banking systems and ATMs can handle many transactions traditionally managed by bank tellers, reducing the need for human tellers. 14. Travel agents. AI-driven platforms and chatbots can assist customers in booking travel arrangements, potentially replacing human travel agents. 15. Radiologists. AI algorithms can analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs with high accuracy, potentially reducing the need for human radiologists for certain diagnostic tasks. While AI is expected to replace some jobs, it will also create new opportunities and roles, particularly in fields related to AI development, maintenance, and oversight. Additionally, AI can assist human workers, allowing them to focus on more complex, creative, and value-added tasks. The overall impact of AI on employment will depend on how societies and industries adapt to these changes and the measures taken to reskill and upskill the workforce. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.